Today we're going over a custom-built 4-system unit. Features 3 pumping systems. Let's take a look. This truck features a 2020 Kenworth T880, has an X15 engine and an ultra-shift transmission. The tank is a 4,700 gallon 4-compartment. The compartment sizes are 1,000, 1,000, 1,700, and 1,000. Also in the rear of the shell is a 300 gallon stainless step tank. Behind me you will find a 3-inch system as well as 2 2-inch systems, also a bulk hose reel. All of the systems are LC meters with pod mount IQ registers. Here on the street side, you'll notice the DEF system. We have a hose reel with a 3/4 inch hose and nozzle, LC IQ register, as well as a level indicator for the tank mounted in the rear of the shell. Here in the curbside cabinet, you can find the bottom load equipment as well as the scully equipment to bottom load the unit. You'll also find the 3 whip hoses for the pumping systems. All the pumping systems on this unit are hydraulically driven. A couple more features of this truck is a 40-inch sleeper from Kenworth. It also has a Bendix fusion system, which features adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance. Here at the back of this unit, you can see that the unit has LED area lighting on all 4 corners, as well as a tram fall protection and a backup camera.